but I think I'm about to purchase a new adventure bike. Right now, I'm going to be going out to check out a new bike. I'm going to look at the Yamaha 700 Tenere. I realized on this trip that my bike's way too big and heavy to do the kind of some of the off-road trail riding that I'd like to do. So I'm going to go look at this bike as an option that might be able to take me through some of those trails and maybe I would have had an easier time on that last little 6K with something a bit lighter and more designed for some off-road stuff. All right, well, let's get on the road and go check out this bike. I'm also going to have a look at some new boots since I need one after that boot burning, and I still haven't heard anything back from Shark about my helmet, so hopefully we'll be able to get that replaced under warranty. There's actually a number of new things that I need. I need new gloves, probably need new mirrors for the bike. I've replaced the lights that were broken on it. Most of the damage that I've created is done. They're fixed. Still have to get a foot peg, although the screw right now is working just fine. Well, besides the stick shifter, which I'm hoping that when I get a chance to lube the cable up, we'll fix that. The bike doesn't seem to be running too much differently. So after everything I put it through, it's still going. Here we are at Whole Shot Motorsports. Let's go see what they got. Alright. Let's see if there's actually one on the floor. How's it going?
There.
You have a Tenere 700 kicking around?
We've been sold out forever, but I do have one black one that's in stock right now.
That's what I heard.
Yeah? You have a sales guy helping you out?
No.
No?
Alright. Here it is. The only one in the entire lower mainland.
Quiet!
Yeah. Alright, I've just done a bunch of paperwork and gonna take the bike for a test drive, but I think I'm about to purchase a new adventure bike. Here it is, about to take it for a test drive. And then do the final paperwork. an awesome bike. Well, there's no doubt now that I'm buying it after riding it. Let's go finish the paperwork. All right, just leaving on the old Vstrom. And on Friday we'll be back to pick up the new bike. Good morning. Just at Whole Shot Motorsports right now. About to go in and pick up the bike. Just in the business office right now with Victoria. Signing some paperwork. Money's already transferred, so now it's just the official documents. Alright, we've just done all the paperwork. And we're just gonna go walk down the stairs and check out the bike. There it is. And there it is, a Tenere 700.
Yay! A what? A DR? Oh, you're
No, Tenere. Yeah, no. Kimberly, my sales rep, is helping me. And we'll wheel it outside soon and be off on the road. And there it is outside, just about to get on it. And we'll get the first picks on the road. Way different than the Vstrom. Feels lighter and more nimbly. Alright, well, now we're back at home. Got the bike home. Now I'm just waiting on gear for it, some panniers, luggage systems for it, get all that installed, and I'll have to start taking it on some dirt roads and practicing my dirt riding. Hopefully I can perform better than I did on the Vstrom.